Welcome to the great outdoors, where the sun shines brighter and ideas flourish. It's no secret that starting a business can be challenging. But what if you could harness the power of nature to create an enterprise that's not only profitable, but also fosters a healthy lifestyle and aids our environment? Let's go over outdoor business ideas for you to consider. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Have you considered starting an adventure tourism business? The outdoor recreation industry is booming, contributing approximately $887 billion to the U.S. economy annually and supporting millions of jobs. But it's not just about raw thrill-seeking. As more people focus on health and wellness, a fitness training business could be a breath of fresh air. From yoga classes in the park to trail running groups, there are myriad ways to encourage fitness in the great outdoors. After all, the global fitness and health club industry generates more than $94 billion in revenue per year. Or maybe your green thumb could blossom into a landscaping or gardening business. With a global market value expected to reach $101.7 billion by 2027, the landscaping services market is ripe with opportunities. If you love the buzz of caffeine and conversation, why not start a mobile coffee shop? Create a space where people can enjoy a warm cup of coffee under the open sky. Urban farming, an innovative response to the increasing demand for locally sourced produce, is another burgeoning field. With the global market for vertical farming projected to reach almost $13 billion over the next 3 years, this isn't just sustainable, it's profitable. In the world of outdoor businesses, the sky is literally the limit. Nature offers a canvas for entrepreneurial endeavors that's as expansive as your imagination. So, why not seize the opportunity to turn a passion for the outdoors into a profitable venture? Remember, every great enterprise starts with a single idea. Could your idea be the next big outdoor business success story? Please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the outdoor business ideas in this video? Which one intrigues you the most? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.